It is absolutely gorgeous out here in England this week, and that got me excited for the summer, which means I need a whole new summer wardrobe. But we do not do overconsumption in this house, so we're gonna upcycle my old tops into something new and pretty and gorgeous, just in time to celebrate this gorgeous weather. And I don't want to spend hours doing these projects, so these are gonna be simple, quick, and right to the point, just like this video. So let's get right into it. I bought this shirt ages ago because I thought that my big brain will figure out a way to make it into the coolest shirt I ever wore, and then it just kind of sat in my closet for years. So today is the day that I am going to do something with it. Not sure what yet, but I'll get there. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut off these ugly ass branded elastics. So it's going to be a blank canvas of just white, transparent sheet kind of shirt. I highly doubt it's gonna fray because it's made out of this mesh plasticky material, so I don't need to worry about that, and that's perfect. I love it, I don't have to hem things. I'm just gonna cut this in half. And I'm gonna put eyelets all the way down so that I can lace them with maybe shoelaces, maybe with some kind of ribbon. First, I planned where I wanted the eyelets to go. Then I marked it 5 centimeters apart with a ruler. It doesn't really matter what you mark it with, as it'll get cut anyway with some scissors. And I've also got the eyelet pliers to insert the eyelets. Eyelets are the easiest and one of the cheaper ways to add personality to clothing without sewing, hence why I'm constantly using them in my projects. I opted to lace the eyelets with some shoelaces just to give it a bit more uniqueness to it. I was clearly in very deep focus with that resting Baltic look. And here is the final result. I love how this turned out. I was actually gonna do a lot more with it, like a graphic in the back or something, but I feel like the lace detail is enough to give it a bit more interest, for it to be like a standalone piece. I don't have enough basics in my closet, so I feel like this would be like a perfect little addition. And it looks really cute without the lacing as well. Let me show you. It's so hard to layer in the summer, so isn't this like the cutest thing ever? Adam loves showing off his tattoos as well, so he can borrow it as well. You know, I steal his clothes all the time, so might as well. 2 for 1, very versatile, very pretty, and a successful project. I got this crop top in a golden age of vintage when you could get a bundle of these tops for like £3, and it was amazing. I had a bunch of these, but obviously now it's very old, very worn out, it's got holes in it. So I think it's about time for an upgrade. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I think in a typical cami fashion, I'm just gonna sew a bunch of stuff on it and hope for the best. And that is exactly what I did. Starting with red plaid, my favorite, and I think it looks the best on white background. I also added a white patch just in case I felt like writing something down on it. I found this lace trimming that I thought would look cool as well. You know how people spray paint through lace to get that cool looking pattern? I just kind of skipped that bit and gonna sew the lace directly on the top. I use a zigzag stitch to sew all the bits on, as the shirt is stretchy, making sure not to pull too hard so it doesn't ruffle. And then I also sewed the patch down as well. The lace in the back ruffled a bit because I pulled too hard, and I did change the placing, but overall, it turned into a good base. For extra detail, I added safety pins all over, just whatever it needed covering up or looked a bit too empty. Remember to clamp them down though, so that they don't open up randomly. I also added the chain using the safety pins so I can remove it whenever I want. So what do we think? I, for one, am obsessed. And I know I always say this about everything that I make, but I stand by it because look at her. It only took me 10 to 15 minutes to just sew a bunch of scraps on top of this old ass crop top. And she looks beautiful, she looks perfect, she looks intentional, and she looks hunk as fuck, and that's all that matters. I thought that I messed up the back, but I think it actually looks pretty good. This looks exactly like something that I would save on my Pinterest board, so I feel like I succeeded at what I wanted to achieve. You see this blank spot right here? My whole thing in all my tutorials is like making little patches, writing little sayings on them, but I just couldn't think of anything for this one. So if you have any words or a single word that you think that would be quite a vibe on here, let me know and I'll write it down later. This top has been in my closet for an actual decade, and this is me yapping about it without turning the mic on. But anyway, it used to be a bodysuit that I outgrew because bodies don't stop developing after puberty. So I cut her into a top, and now I'm gonna give her a bit more personality. The top is too tight on my waist, so I cut little slits into the front for the fabric to spread out a bit. I added safety pins to add a bit of edge and to keep the fabric from spreading too much. Then I added 6 safety pins to each cup and laced it with red ribbon. I tied a cute little bow on it and cut off the ends. Then using a lighter, I burnt off the ends of the ribbon so that it doesn't unravel. The front looked a bit boring, so I cut out some rectangles out of red plaid. And decorated them with some star studs. And then I pinned it to the shirt and sewed it on with a zigzag stitch. I added a few extra safety pins, and here is the final result. I will need you to give me a bit of reassurance though, because I'm not sure how I feel about corset boobs right here. I mean, I love the idea, I love the vibe, I love the colors, I love how it looks in general, but I'm just not sure how I feel about the bow nipples. You know, I think it's a bit too much. I think it's kind of like standing out a little bit too much. I think overall it looks amazing, it looks adorable. I'm gonna wear it out tonight because it is 20 degrees outside and I want to make the most of it. But anyway, am I keeping the bows? That's the real question. The main reason I stopped wearing this top was because it was constantly riding up, but now that I put these little slits in, it's gonna stop doing that, so it's gonna be a lot more comfortable, a lot more wearable. So overall, I'm so happy with this. Don't you love it when the simplest of upcycles give you so much aura? I mean, she looks like she belongs in a boutique, a little artist market. She looks like she costs £50 and everybody wants it. And it took me about 10 minutes to make. This is making me feel like such a girly girl. I haven't felt this pretty in a very long time. I keep going for these androgynous, more oversized looks, but this, perfect. For the new summer season, I'm living for this. I need to make more. Thank you for watching this video, much appreciated. I am so excited for the new season. Summer is my favorite season of them all, and I want to do all the upcycles, all the thrift hauls, so any and all ideas would be much appreciated. Like the video if you enjoyed this one, subscribe to see more, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.